Hi chick babes, Lux babes, and fur babies. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. So we are going to do an unboxing. Amazon Prime, y'all. So if y'all looked at my previous video, y'all saw my love bracelet. Plus I have the matching ring. I done took it off though. Okay. And I have the bangle here, the Clover bangle. Yes. Okay. And let's see. Accessories. I love accessories. Accessories bring out your outfit. So, look what I found. Got these, of course, with Amazon Prime. Okay. These are so cute. And these are by, okay, they just say made in Korea. And these are sterling silver post earrings. Matches my, oh shoot. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had dropped one of them on the floor. Okay. So, yes, earrings. Drop earrings, look. Matches the bracelet perfectly. I think I saw a necklace. I think I saw a necklace, so here they are. These are so cute, y'all. They are so cute. They are so cute. So my next video, I'm going to do a try on. How about that? Yes, these are so cute. I love them. And they didn't cost much, no more than $19.99. These are sterling silver. Sterling silver. They're so cute. Okay. So thank y'all for tuning into my Amazon unboxing video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye chick babes, Lux babes, and fur babies.